In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bitbucket. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a copy of a repository from Bitbucket's web interface and save it to your computer in just a few clicks. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to bitbucket.org. This is where all your Bitbucket repositories live. Make sure you're signed into the correct account with access to the project you want. If you collaborate across multiple workspaces or teams, double check you're in the right one so the repository you need is visible. Next, locate the repository you want to download and click into it. You can use the search bar or browse through your recent repositories. Once you're on the repository's main page, you'll see the file list, the default branch, and the usual navigation options. If you're aiming to download the current state of the default branch, you're in the right place. If you need a different branch or a tagged release, you can switch branches using the branch selector at the top of the page before continuing. That way, the download will reflect exactly the code you intend to grab. Now look toward the top right area of the repository page for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click that menu to reveal additional actions that aren't shown by default. This is where Bitbucket tucks away less frequently used features, including the one we need. From that menu, click Download Repository. Bitbucket will prepare an archive of the repository, typically as a zip file of the branch you're currently viewing. Your browser will begin downloading the file automatically. The download time depends on the size of the repository and your internet connection. When it finishes, you'll have a compressed file on your computer containing the repository's files as they exist at that point in time. A couple of quick tips to make things smoother. If you don't see the download repository option, confirm you have at least read access to the repo and that you're on the repository page, not a workspace overview. Some interfaces label the option as download or archive, but it functions the same way. Also, keep in mind that downloading an archive is great for a quick snapshot, while cloning with Git is better if you plan to contribute changes or keep the code in sync over time. That's it. You've navigated to bitbucket.org, opened your repository, used the three-dot menu, and selected Download Repository. You now have a clean, ready-to-open archive of your code. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.